Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. Today I look so bad. I literally just got out of bed. Like, my bed isn't even made because I just wanted to show you guys how I get ready, but using a few things. Like, if I'm in a hurry and I just want to look alive, this is what I do. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. So sorry if my voice is still a little groggy and all of that. I literally just jumped out of bed and started recording. Okay, so I flipped to the back camera because I feel like the back camera with makeup videos is so much better. The first thing that I do, I should moisturize. I got a new moisturizer a while back. I use the Monat skincare line. I don't know if you guys know, but I used to sell Monat. Now, not so much. I still use all the products, nothing against them. It's just I don't sell. It's a lot of work. Set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 15 minutes.
You. Okay, so I don't even know what I was saying, but I had to put my alarm on because I have school in 20 minutes, so I'm doing this makeup in 15. Not really makeup, just a little trick I like to do just to look a little bit less like this. So my face is clean, there's nothing on it, and I'm just going to apply some vitamin C serum. Now I'm just going to apply moisturizer. Since it is winter time, I like to use a very concentrated heavy cream. So this one is more for dry skin and it just helps so much. So I'm just gonna apply some. We're gonna let that just sit for a little bit. I've showed you guys before, I don't know if you guys see my videos, but I have an inner pimple right over here and then I had one right here. It's kind of going away, but other than that, my skin is getting better. So, okay, now I'm just going to apply a primer. It is the Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. Okay, I like to just focus that more on where the makeup that I'm applying is going to be. So mostly right here under the eyes, maybe a little bit on the cheeks, and then some on the chin, the nose, and the forehead. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Okay, so where I like to apply it is mainly on the inner corners of my eye, the inner under eye, and then on the sides here, and then just a little bit on my pimple. Just blend that in. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Coty Airspun loose face powder and I'm going to get a fluffy face brush, powder brush, apply it under my eyes. I like to dab it. And then I just like to put it all over my face because then it mattifies the primer, I feel like, and just makes it look way better. Then I'm going to just take this Baked Bronzer by Milani, and it is so pretty. This one is in the shade 5, and I'm gonna apply it with this brush right here. I'm pretty sure I got this at the dollar store, and it is so good. So now I'm just going to apply it mostly on my cheekbones just to add some color back into my skin. So I'm gonna take this NYX setting spray and just apply that all over my face. And then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is the Precious Petals. It is so nice. I'm obsessed with this one. So I'm going to take my highlighting brush and just apply that onto my cheekbones. And then I take a smaller brush like this and I get the highlighter, apply some on the tip of my nose and a little bit on the bridge, and then my cupid's bow and also my chin. And then for this, I like to get this one and just blend it out so it's not like one little dot. Sometimes I like to put some in the inner corner of my eyes, just brighten it up. Last but not least, I like to take my eyelash curler and just curl my lashes since it's like a no makeup look. I'm not gonna put mascara on because I feel like then I basically have my normal face of makeup. So I just like to curl it. Okay guys, so it is so much later. So I had school and then it's literally 5 o'clock right now. When I was recording, it was like 8. So it's been a few hours and my makeup is still on. I mean, it's still pretty good. But I just wanted to show you guys how to just look more awake without putting so much makeup on and doing a full face. I feel like just doing the concealer and a little bit of highlight just makes you look so much more awake and bright. I feel like the inner corners as well just open up your eyes more. But that is it. That was my little simple makeup tutorial that I wanted to show you guys. But I ended up doing my hair as well, and it just makes it, obviously the look, it just makes the whole look better. So but yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys thought it was helpful. Let me know if you guys try it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, which will be tomorrow. Yeah, love you guys so much.